All right, welcome everyone to today's video. We'll be showing off a deck that is not affected by Droll at all. Enjoy.
Christian just got here.
The house has a lot of
Activate museum. Museum effect search.
Good to search.
I'm paying 12 to search, by the way.
Oh, did not know that. I'll keep that in mind. You're at 68. On res, we'll activate Droll.
Sure. Normal zone. Effect to dump.
That's good.
A few moments later.
Standby. Me. Normal.
Sure. On zone. Effect to equip.
You're good to equip.
Effect to pop.
Pop. Yep. We'll go to the next game.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.